This crease tells a story, but it needs attention. We balance repair with preservation, maintaining her authentic care.
Looks good. Perfection standard achieved.
A huge round of applause for the Python Restoration Garage. Their expertise brought the Anaconda Elite to victory.
Interior is heavily degraded but salvageable. Running air quality scans now. Engine bay is clear of major blockages. Connecting the main diagnostic unit. Copy that. Documenting the structural
Phase 1 is clear. Stabilize the structure and relocate the residents.
And Phase 2, the resurrection. We'll have her ready for the jungle triumph.
Approach slowly from the rear.
Guiding him into the transport tube now. Careful with the door.
Door secured.
Easy there, big girl. We're just moving you over to the new habitat. Nice and gentle.
We always ensure the habitat matches their specific needs. Plenty of shelter, water access, and hunting grounds for a smooth transition.
All right, exterior assessment underway. Paint condition is poor, heavy oxidation. Chrome integrity failing at the wheel arches. Structural soundness is compromised by these vines. Look at this. Decades of growth, but the jungle actually protected the block. This Anaconda Elite might just run again.
Route looks clear. Minimal environmental impact confirmed.
All right, drivers, slowly bring her forward. Watch my signals.
Watch that starboard side clearance, it's tight.
Holding steady. Securing the rear mounts now. Confirm green.
Section 2 clear. Preservation looks better here than the forward fuselage. Thermal scan confirms.
All right, team, remember the Python Garage protocol. Gentle steam on the seating, maximum vacuum on the flooring. We need these luxury features pristine by 1800 joules. This section is heavily pitted from the humidity. We need full replacement here.
But the patina underneath this layer is remarkable.
I cannot believe what I'm seeing. This thing is immaculate.
The preservation is unreal. We definitely have resurrection potential here.
The restoration process confirms the authenticity of this Python Garage build.
And the Anaconda Elite badging means it's one of a kind. Assessment complete. The Anaconda is structurally sound.
All right, team, let's initiate the resurrection protocol. Move the scanners into position. Bring the overhead unit into position Delta.
Copy that. Moving the array now.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Python Garage methodology dictates we assess the depth of the corrosion here. This tells the environmental story. High humidity exposure. All right, Python team, focus on the serpentine plating. Starting the high pressure rinse on section 7. Careful around the moss, maintain authenticity.
We're demonstrating the Python Garage method. We have to meticulously repair these structural areas to handle the stress, ensuring the Anaconda Elite performs as expected.
Preparation quality determines restoration longevity. Ensure every serpentine scale is perfect. Sir, this section is systematically treated and applying the protective coating ensures this finish will withstand the intense humidity of the jungle environment. Check the alignment on the rear panel. It's within tolerance. Moving to the next section.
Pretentious. This crease tells a story, but it needs attention. We balance repair with preservation, maintaining her authentic character.
Look at the serpentine detailing. Flawless. The heritage is secure.
Confirmed. We move to the cockpit systems next week. Almost there, just another millimeter to the left.
Locked in.
Panel secure, flow is perfect. What a magnificent restoration. The curves are perfect. Yeah.
It truly is luxury perfection. Let's prep the bay for the interior phase.
Okay, team, let's start the installation sequence. Ensure the bamboo accents are aligned.
Copy that. Preparing the adhesive now.
The vintage leather patina is beautiful, definitely worth preserving. However, the fabric trim along the door cards has deteriorated. Those will need replacement.
This seam repair is holding well. The texture match is spot on. Python Garage standards maintained. How's the flow looking from back there?
Authentic restoration means preserving the original electronics while ensuring functional reliability. Look at the detail on this Anaconda Elite instrumentation. Here at Python Garage, we ensure these classic systems receive expert updating, integrating modern reliability without compromising that authentic luxury atmosphere.
Look at that finish. Absolutely stunning. Python Garage delivers again. Let's get her ready for mechanical. This Anaconda Elite needs a full recalibration. Agreed. Start with the fuel injectors. I'll prep the diagnostic tools. Initial assessment confirms the preservation is remarkable. These valve covers kept the internals pristine. We're looking at resurrection potential, not just restoration.
Disassembly is systematic. This component is sound. Next, we assess the cylinder walls for preservation before the resurrection begins.
Bring her down slowly, watch the alignment guides. Okay, hold it there. Confirmed. Right, let's torque the head bolts to spec. Yes! It runs! We did it! She's seated. Thumbs up from my side. Confirmed. The Anaconda Elite lives. Almost there. Watch that manifold clearance. Whoa! Perfect. It's settling right in.
Looks good. Perfection standard achieved.
Check the manifold pressure one last time. Yeah. Confirmed. She's running optimized for the humidity. Tires and suspension are good to go.
With serpentine aerodynamic benefits, the Anaconda Elite outperforms the competition, validating comprehensive restoration success.
A huge round of applause for the Python Restoration Garage. Their expertise brought the Anaconda Elite to victory.
Presenting the champions, Python Restoration Garage. We did it. Yeah! Unbelievable work by the team.
This is the Anaconda Elite's legacy.
Python Garage's specialized restoration expertise transformed this jungle discovery into a true racing champion. Python Restoration Garage proves that with expert knowledge, environmental respect, and serpentine patience, even 40 years of jungle slumber cannot defeat automotive heritage.